Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are doing great. I am your host Wajiha Naeem and welcome to my channel in Crowdbuzz. Today we will learn how to your photo and how to retouch your photo. We will go to create a design and we will go to create a design and we will upload our image on the Canva. I will upload from the Canva. Upload any image which you want to edit or retouch. This image like this, I will set as a background. Now I will go to the edit image. There are some options that can enhance your photo and retouch automatically. Canva has great features, so I will select this auto enhance. This is the great feature. I will select some time to enhance the image. Our image is enhanced by Canva image enhancer. Now I will go to the edit photo and there is a feature magic eraser. I will use this and I will choose the size of the brush to remove the spots like this. You can do one by one. If there are small spots, you can do the size of the brush small. You can see spots are automatically removed, magically removed from the image, and it is the great. I will remove all the spots one by one. Now I will do the brush size smaller. So this is how you can edit your photo and retouching your face. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any the upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.